Stepping outside this 7,615 square foot corner plot, it really speaks for itself. There are certain communities in Dubai that have built their reputation over time, not through marketing, but because people genuinely want to live there. Known for its generous proportions, refined architecture, and peaceful surroundings, this is Gulf Place. Today we'll step inside this D2 elegant villa and see exactly why. Before we step inside, let's take a moment to have a look at the architecture. Gulf Place offers 3 different types of collections: contemporary, elegant, and modern. This particular villa is an elegant layout, known for its refined, vertical cladding on the outside of the property, which gives a timeless and sophisticated feel to the property. Of the 3 styles available, elegant is actually the largest of the internal spaces, making it sought after for families which are looking for generously sized internal living spaces. The first thing you'll notice is the sense of arrival. Natural light floods through the entirety of the property thanks to these double height ceilings. This is the kind of entrance that makes great first impressions every time you walk through the villa. At the centre of the home, we have this beautiful display kitchen, which is situated just off the main living areas and this dining space. Behind me sits a fully enclosed back kitchen, which is great for preparation of food whilst maintaining this clean aesthetic to the main living areas of the villa. Another of the defining features of this D2 layout is the way that the ground floor has been designed. The dining, family, and living spaces all connect seamlessly, creating a layout that feels open, social, and incredibly functional. Whether you're entertaining guests or spending time with a family, each space flows naturally into the next without ever feeling oversized or disconnected. The ground floor also benefits from a spacious guest bedroom with its own bathroom, offering excellent flexibility for visiting family, long-term guests, or even can be used as a private office. As we head upstairs, the gallery landing overlooking the entrance continues the feeling of openness, while naturally separating the principal suite from the remaining family bedrooms. Owners first began moving into Gulf Place in 2023, and in a relatively short amount of time, it's established itself as one of the most desirable villa communities within Dubai. It's a combination of its generous floor plans, premium Emaar construction, mature landscaping, and peaceful surroundings, which continues to attract families looking to have a base here in one of the most sought after villa communities. Each room feels generous, with excellent natural light, built-in wardrobes, and plenty of flexibility for growing families. These spaces are designed to be lived in, not simply slept in. Gulf Place is renowned for its generous sized bedrooms. The principal suite enjoys its own wing of the home, with a large walk-through dresser, an elegantly designed ensuite, and a private terrace which enjoys full downtown skyline views and the garden below. The swimming pool is surrounded by mature, low-maintenance landscaping, creating multiple spaces to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the privacy that this position offers. With the position of this villa being situated on a corner plot, it also gives the home an even greater sense of openness. If you've been looking for a villa that has exceptional proportions, timeless architecture, and a unique opportunity to create something truly special of your own, then this D2 elegant layout could be well suited for you. To arrange a private viewing, you can contact me on those details below. Thanks for watching.